good afternoon everybody. Welcome to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel on Memorial Day Saturday. Not a whole lot of good to report from this weekend. We're at the Ryan Allie RalliRoots Meetup in South Tampa, Florida. This is what we're dealing with here. Hopefully we get a break in the rain and we can run into that building. That's where we're going. 81 Bay Brewing Company. Let's go inside and show you guys the little meetup that's hanging out here. There's everybody. Check this place out. Ryan's not gonna get a lot of video, but I'll get video for you guys. I'll give it to him. Ryan, enjoy the video, buddy. 81 Bay Brewery.
I don't agree to be on your YouTube channel.
Alright, he knows I'm coming. I can't surprise him. Ryan?
RalliRoots, YouTube channel, subscribe.
You can't self-promote on the Rockstar channel. Alright, I'll let this one go. So, Ryan, how's it going? Say hi to everyone.
Hi, Rockstars.
Hi, this is Ryan. You guys might know him better as Rally. Are you the Rally part or the Roots part?
I'm the Ryan part.
The Ryan part.
I get an R in the name.
So today,
gets her whole name. I just get an R.
Oh, he just gets the R. That's like the soccer game. So that's like at home with the closet, right? You get like one part of it.
I got my own closet.
He's got his. Wow, I don't even have that. Listen, you guys,
much smaller.
Look up to Ryan because I don't even have my own closet. Okay. So we had a meetup in Tampa today at 81 Brewing. 81
Bay. 81 Bay.
81 Bay. Okay. So how did it go? How's everyone?
Good, man. Look, a bunch of people here.
We had what, like 50 people?
Honestly, I think like we almost beat out the West Coast.
Whoa!
Here.
Look at that.
I'm gonna call it now. I think our meetup was better than any Cali meetup I've seen.
Ooh, East Coast beating the West Coast.
Oh, yeah.
What do you guys think? Did we beat the West Coast meetup? Everyone can say hi. We're gonna put you on video. Okay, we're gonna keep saying hi. We're filming everyone. Ryan says we did better than California. What do you think?
Yeah.
Are we better than the West Coast? We are. Yep. There you go. Say hi. She doesn't seem so happy to be on camera. It's okay though. If I don't fall over stuff. Say hi. This is for Ryan.
What's up?
Support Ryan. Make him feel good. He just talked all you guys up, so don't leave anything. There's Deb and Paul. Paul says hi. We're still filming.
Eric and Jenny.
And Ryan talked everyone up, so make him look good. There's no one here. It's my camera. So Ryan talked us up as the best meetup.
Oh, well, we are.
We are. He said we're better than the West Coast, mainly because we have all these awesome people. So say hi to all the people. Hello.
Hi, awesome people.
This video's going to Ryan. He can edit it later, but
I hope he doesn't edit us out.
he won't edit us out. I'll make sure. If he does, I'll edit us back in.
Okay.
There's Ryan again. He looks handsome. Ryan says that you are the best meetup group people ever. That we beat California. We're better than the West Coast.
We're better than the West Coast.
Ooh. So he talked everyone up. You know why we're better than the West Coast? One, we got Cali. Ryan says we're better than the West Coast meetups. What do you think, Cali? What do you think? We got the real Cali right here. That's what's up. And you know why else we're better? Look at this.
Mochi!
Mochi! Mochi girl! What's up, Mochi? So those of you that want to rep Cali, we're repping the real Cali. That's what's up. Hey, so I want to thank Ryan Allie for yesterday's Tampa meetup out at 81 Bay Brewing. If you guys weren't there, you're not in the area, we missed you, we're sorry, but thank you to everyone who did show up. A lot of amazing people. I don't even want to guess at how many people, 30, 40 people at least showed up. So it was an awesome day, even out in the storm. So thanks everyone for braving the weather. And we look forward to future meetups. Me and Ryan were discussing doing another one by the end of the year. So look forward to that if you live in Central Florida or anywhere in Florida or anywhere in the country. Please feel free to come join us. With that note, me and Ryan and Allie and everyone else will also be at eBay Open 2018 in Las Vegas, July 24, 25, and 26. I will personally be there from the 23rd through the 28th. I can't speak for Ryan, I'm not sure of his schedule, but there will be a meetup on Monday the 23rd in the Skyfall Lounge, Mandalay Bay, sometime around 6 or 7 p.m. I'll put the exact time, but there's an event calendar in my Thrifter Reseller group on Facebook. It's down below, you can RSVP there, completely free. Bring yourself, bring money for drinks, and come hang out with us. We'd love to see you, love to have you. So thanks again to Ryan and Allie for that. And on that note, let's move into today's video. So since I'm halfway through my 1 month goal for Posh Ambassador and getting started, it's been exactly 2 weeks as of Friday that I started on Poshmark. I wanted to update you guys on the sales that I've had, on the shares, the ambassador status, the whole experience as I go through the first month of being on Poshmark. And as many of you know, I did employ the help of a part-time high school student, just somebody who could give me a couple hours a day, and I gave her a few bucks, which I will shout her out. Some of you may know who she is, and I will put her information. I need to confirm with her mother because she is a minor if I can put her public information out there. I know she's offering to help other people, so I'm sure it'll be okay, but refresh this video later and look down below and I will put her contact information out. And once we hit 1 month on Poshmark, I will also, if she's okay with it and she's done helping me for my first month, that hopefully she can help some of you guys if you need help getting going on Poshmark. She's doing sharing and cross-post listing for me, like items that are ending on eBay and going to my unsolds and things like that. So she's doing a really great job. And so I'm gonna screen share with you guys and show you how Poshmark's gone. We're 2 weeks in, halfway there, and I'm looking at it now. I'm almost a 70% Posh Ambassador, and I haven't even bought my item yet, which I think gets you like 15 or 20%. So we're gonna make it before the month's up. Hopefully we'll do it at about the 3 week mark. So let's check out my screen and I'll show you guys how it's going. All right, so here's my main Poshmark page. Obviously, you guys know the closet name if you want to follow me or you want me to follow you back. Rockstarflipper, Casey. Currently, we have 127 listings. We've sold 6, so there should only be 121 active. Active shares for me, 1,743. 2 weeks, I've gotten 3,328 followers. Thank you guys for that. And I'm following 1,100 of you. I've been trying to follow it back as quick as I can, but obviously it takes a little time. So here's some of the items that we have active. Feel free to go through the closet. I'm not going to show you guys all of them, but I did post a bunch of our shoes, posted some women's tops, some men's tops. I kind of mixed it up a little bit. So in 2 weeks, and really we didn't start for a few days after that, so it's probably been about, I don't know, maybe 10 to 12 days. We've gotten up 127 total items and sold 6 of them. So about 10 to 12 a day, not too bad. And then let's come over to the sales. I'll show you those 6 items. The average sale price, I just did it, is pretty close. It's a little over $18. And I have one more item that I made an offer on. I'm going back and forth with someone that will put us, it's a $25 item, so it should put us up around $19 average sale price. My average sale price on eBay, to give you an idea, is like $14.40. So doing much better in the average sale price on Posh than we are on eBay. Of course, we have 3 of the 6 have been delivered. I'm not sure why this one didn't get delivered yet. Probably went out yesterday or maybe going out Tuesday because it's USPS closed Monday. So we sold a White House Black Market shirt. You can tell from my photos it's an older item, just got rid of it off of eBay. Victoria's Secret sleep shirt, some Skechers, Oxford shoes, an Ann Taylor blazer, Lucky Brand capris, and then an Ann Taylor dress that was brand new. We got $32. So a good, decent start to the sales. Eventually I want to be selling at least 1 or 2 items a day. Once we get into a couple hundred listings, we sold a lot of these when I had like 30 active, 40 active, 60 active. So really selling like 1 a day, 1 every other day over the last 14 or one every other day over the last 14 days at like a 1% sell through. So that's the sales. Here's the Posh stat. So you guys can see that I currently have 121, like I said, active available, total value of $3,591. And if we take our calculator and do $3,591, divide it by $121, my average sale price would be $29.67. Obviously I'll get less than that offer. So I'll be happy if it stays above a $20 sale price. That'll be awesome. 58% off the original discount. 3,086 times I have self-shared, and then 6 sold. Total earned is $83. Now that's after the Posh fees. So if you divide that out, that comes to $13.83, almost $14 in pocket after the Posh fees, because they are taking 20%. So they're taking, $4 or $5 on some of those items. So that's not bad. $14. My average purchase price is between $2 and $4, like $2 to $3 on most clothing, $2, $2.50, and like $3 to $4 on most of the shoes. So really, $10 to $12 in profit is not bad. Not bad at all. 5-star rating. I've only gotten 3, of course. Direct shares I haven't done yet. I've done 1,743 shares of other people's. 88 new Poshers I shared, and I haven't recruited any yet. I am going to recruit them. But let's click on the Posh Ambassador status. We're at 67%. And so there it is again, 1,743 out of 5,000. So we're going to have to share a lot of your guys' stuff. So make sure if you want me to share, you're following me. 3,000 self-shares. So we're more than halfway there on 2/3 of the way there on this minimum 5,000, or 2/4, halfway there. I don't even know. New Posher shared 88, cleared that. The minimum was 50. 121 available listings, 50 minimum. We're clear of that. 6 sales. So we need to sell 9 more items to hit the minimum there. So I'm going to try to do some offers and sharing and price drops tonight to try to sell a couple of items between now and tomorrow. Maybe we can sell 2 or 3 and get there. The average purchase rating has to be over 4.5 stars. We have a 5. That's good. Average ship time should be less than 3 days. We're at 1.4 days. I don't know how it's not 1 day, because everything ships out for us 1 day. And love notes given, which means I bought something and loved the item, is a minimum of 1. I have not done yet. You guys were very, very helpful on the what to buy shirt from the Robert Graham collections that I showed. So I am going to go ahead and buy that and get this. I believe this gives you like 10%. So this one update when I buy something and give a love note will put me up around like 77%. Let's go back one page. Yeah, I'll be at 77. And then if I can get some more sales. So the idea by the end of this week is to be like around 90% closing in on finishing it. So thanks to my helper for taking care of these listings and getting me up here, and I'll take over and do the rest. And again, if I get permission, I will shout her out. I think that I'll have the permission for the next video. So if you're interested in that, you have a couple weeks to prepare for it. Just to give you an idea, I paid $80 or $100 for the whole month. You can pay, I don't know if she offers like 2 week or 1 week or whatever, but it's like $80 to $100 for 1 month, and she'll post like 10 items for you, do like a couple hundred shares a day. You'll have to talk to her and get all the specifics, but once I get the permission, I'll share it. So that's the update on Poshmark. Today is May the 27th, Sunday, May 27th, Memorial Day weekend, 2018. And I'll update you again in 2 more weeks, as long as we hit Posh Ambassador status. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.